When dealing with the side effects on the skin from chemotherapy treatments, we recommend the NeoGenesis Cleanser, Moisturizing Mist, Recovery, and either Intensive Moisturizer or the Barrier Renewal Cream. Let's go over how to use these products for the best results. The NeoGenesis products are completely safe to use and may be used multiple times a day if needed. Start with our gentle cleanser to cleanse the affected area. Follow with a light mist of moisturizing mist. This will give the skin more slip and allow the recovery to go further. Apply a drop or two of recovery and massage that into the skin. If your skin is extra sensitive or just too tender to be massaging a product into it, recovery also comes in a spray version, which may be right for you. Follow with the Intensive Moisturizer or Barrier Renewal Cream as the last step. Use this protocol twice daily, and in between, use the moisturizing mist and moisturizer as needed to soothe and bring an instant relief to the skin. Our products contain an unconditional money-back guarantee. For additional information, questions, or our contact information, please visit us at neogenesis.com.